We also see improved resilience to the turf to traffic stress. Many of our customers specifically use CIVITAS Turf Defense at the ends of cart paths or other highway areas like traffic congestion sites, fairway surrounds, tees, etc. Others use CIVITAS Turf Defense on green surrounds where play is concentrated and receives a lot of golfer and maintenance traffic. Coincidentally, green surrounds oftentimes receive too little water. Many courses who have been using CIVITAS Turf Defense for several seasons have expanded to include all of these areas because they know how much it helps their turf quality year after year. You may ask, are these benefits the result of the pigment? When we started looking closely at higher cut turf, it was readily visible that the drought and traffic improvements to turf quality and color were not just due to the effect of the pigment in our formulation, but rather the reduction of senescing leaves. When the plant is under stress, the first thing it does is to send out a hormonal response that removes the older leaves to conserve energy. With CIVITAS Turf Defense treated turf, we see this less often, and when we do, it is delayed. Anytime you get into traffic or drought stress, look closely at the turf and you will see these improvements.